Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro is rewriting the rules of coding, and it's a total game changer for developers. This AI is faster, smarter, and ready to supercharge your projects. Smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive into why this is the ultimate coder's dream. Kicking things off, let's unpack Gemini 2.5 Pro, Google's latest AI powerhouse launched in early 2025. It's a multimodal model designed for coding, blending text, code, and even image processing. With 1.5 trillion parameters, it's a beast at understanding and generating code. It supports 40+ programming languages, from Python to Rust. Developers, this AI gets your workflow like no other. Integrated into Google Cloud, it's accessible via API or IDE plugins. It's 30% faster than its predecessor, Gemini 2.0. The $99 per month Pro tier unlocks premium features. Whether you're a solo coder or enterprise team, it's a game changer. It even debugs code in real time. This is coding on steroids. Let's talk about Gemini 2.5 Pro's insane code generation. Feed it a prompt like, build a Python Flask app, and it spits out a full working codebase in seconds. It handles front-end, back-end, and even database schemas. The AI predicts your needs, suggesting optimized functions before you ask. It's 40% more accurate than ChatGPT 4.0 for complex tasks. Solo devs, you'll ship projects twice as fast. The code is clean, commented, and follows best practices. It supports frameworks like React, Django, and TensorFlow. At 2 milliseconds latency, it feels instant. Say goodbye to boilerplate hell. This AI is your coding sidekick. Next level debugging. Segment 3 dives into Gemini 2.5 Pro's debugging superpowers. It scans your code and pinpoints bugs with 95% accuracy, from syntax errors to logic flaws. Drop in a buggy script, and it explains the issue in plain English, suggesting fixes. It even catches edge cases, like null pointer errors in Java. Developers, this saves hours of head-scratching. The AI integrates with VS Code, highlighting issues in real time. It supports multi-file projects, analyzing dependencies across 10,000 lines. The $99 per month tier includes priority debugging. It's like having a senior dev on speed dial. The AI learns your codebase for smarter fixes. No more late-night bug hunts. Let's explore Gemini 2.5 Pro's cross-language prowess. It fluently handles 40+ languages, from C++ to Go, with equal finesse. Need to port a Python script to JavaScript? It rewrites it in minutes, preserving functionality. It understands niche languages like Julia or Kotlin too. Full-stack devs, this is your all-in-one tool. The AI suggests language-specific optimizations, like memory management in C. It integrates with GitHub for seamless commits. The $99 plan unlocks advanced refactoring tools. It even explains syntax differences across languages. Switch frameworks without breaking a sweat. This AI speaks app development made simple. Segment 5 focuses on how Gemini 2.5 Pro simplifies app development. Describe your app idea, like a fitness tracker with social features, and it generates a full prototype, including UI code. It supports mobile, web, and desktop apps, from Flutter to .NET. The AI designs REST APIs or GraphQL endpoints tailored to your needs. Indie devs launch MVPs in days, not months. It auto-generates unit tests, covering 90% of your code. The $99 tier includes cloud deployment scripts. It suggests UX improvements based on user trends. The 16GB memory cap handles massive projects. This AI turns your vision into reality fast. Let's talk team collaboration. Gemini 2.5 Pro integrates with tools like Slack and Jira, suggesting code reviews or task assignments. It analyzes team projects, flagging redundant code across files. Pair it with GitHub Copilot for real-time peer coding. Enterprise devs, this streamlines your workflow. The AI generates documentation, making onboarding a snap. It supports 10,000-line projects without choking. The $99 per month plan offers team analytics, like coding efficiency. It even resolves merge conflicts automatically. The cloud-based IDE ensures zero setup. This AI keeps your team in sync. How Gemini 2.5 Pro helps you learn coding. Ask it to explain concepts like recursion, and it breaks it down with examples in your preferred language. It generates practice problems tailored to your skill level. Newbies, go from zero to hero fast. The AI critiques your code, offering tips to improve. It supports interactive tutorials via Google Cloud's IDE. The $99 plan unlocks personalized learning paths. It even recommends open-source projects to build your portfolio. With 40-plus languages, you'll master any stack. This AI is your coding mentor. Why Gemini 2.5 Pro rules. 2.5 Pro is your key to AI-driven automation. It generates scripts to automate repetitive tasks like data migrations or API testing. Feed it a workflow, and it builds bots to handle it, from Python scripts to shell commands. The AI optimizes cron jobs for efficiency, saving server resources. Automation engineers, this is your secret weapon. It supports tools like Ansible or Puppet for seamless integration. The $99 tier unlocks custom automation templates. It even suggests security patches for your scripts. With 40-plus language support, it automates across stacks. This AI makes your workflows smarter and faster. That's the full scoop on Gemini 2.5 Pro, the ultimate coding revolution. Which features got you hyped? Comment below, like, and share with your dev squad. Subscribe and hit the bell for more AI goodness. Catch you next time, explorers.